of the square collage effect is that you can go back to your selection tool, select your square. Now what I have here is, you can see over here I've got one that I've desaturated here and then a colourful one underneath. So instead of just deleting, what I can do is I can use my move tool and I can move this one underneath, and there you go, you can see that my colourful one's underneath. I could just drop it anywhere here if you wanted to create like a new pattern with it, but what I was thinking of doing is actually then free transforming that one in the centre to make it a little bit smaller. So it's going to go in the centre there, and then I could even rotate it as well on its side or upside down, so it kind of creates a little bit more of an abstract view from one picture with another picture. Okay, once I've done that, I can just do deselect, and I've got a picture within a picture. And then again, I could use this area here and I could select my inverse, so you're repeating the same steps but playing around with them in a different way. And then I could edit and free transform again, and I could play around with rotating my whole image here, and then you could do some bits up there if you want to at the top, which is quite cool, on the sides. So have a play around with creating new images. You could even go on a diagonal, which is quite cool. When you're happy, just click, click, and then later on you can use your crop tool to crop your image to whatever size you want. So let's say you're happier with a square crop, then you can do something like this. And if I'm looking for that symmetry, then perhaps I want to have it a little bit bigger here as well. And then we've got a whole new photo exploring that technique.